Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Magazine. Today we're taking a slight detour from our usual two-wheel content and diving into the world of powerful machinery. We're exploring the Ford 9632-0025 tractor, an iconic piece of equipment that's become a staple in farming and heavy-duty applications. Let's get started. The Ford 9632-025 is a heavy-duty tractor known for its robust performance and reliability. Introduced in the late 2020s, this model continues Ford's legacy of durable and efficient agricultural machinery. It's designed to handle demanding tasks, from plowing large fields to hauling heavy loads. Under the hood, the Ford 9632-025 is powered by a high-performance, turbocharged six-cylinder engine. With a horsepower rating of around 300, this tractor delivers the muscle needed for tough jobs. The advanced turbocharging technology ensures optimal fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. Comfort and control are key when you're spending long hours in the field. The 9632-025 doesn't disappoint. Its spacious cab features ergonomic controls, a high-tech display, and climate control to keep operators comfortable in any weather. The improved suspension system ensures a smoother ride, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. Ford has packed the 9632-025 with cutting-edge technology. The tractor comes equipped with an advanced GPS system for precision farming, allowing for accurate planting and efficient field management. It also features an integrated telematics system for real-time monitoring and diagnostics, helping you keep track of performance and maintenance needs. This versatile machine excels in a variety of applications, whether you're plowing large fields, seeding crops, or hauling heavy materials. The Ford 9632-025 is built to handle it all. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset on any farm or construction site. So there you have it, a detailed look at the Ford 9632-025 tractor. It's a powerhouse of performance, comfort, and innovation that stands out in the world of heavy-duty machinery. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Bike Magazine for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.